will just knead a little and then flip it over. Oh, before I forgot, another bite. Really tastes good. Since it's my birth month, I will be having a birthday giveaway. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to make one of the most trending donuts of 2021, the Leche Flan Doughnut. This was inspired from Kora's bakery, which was owned by a New York-based Filipino baker, and it was also featured on Food Insider. They do sell a variety of unique Filipino donut flavors, which includes halo-halo, champorado, ube, and their bestseller, the Leche Flan Doughnut. The donut is made up of a brioche dough, which is filled with a pureed flan, and then it's topped with leche flan, and then it's sprinkled with some powdered sugar. Making our brioche dough, we will just need a bowl, and then here we will add our wet ingredients. So it's the milk, and then 1 egg, crack it, some sugar, and our yeast. And then we will just mix it all up. And again guys, if you're new to this channel, all the measurements of the ingredients, I will just put it in the description box below. So we will just mix everything up, and then we will add in our flour and our salt in here. So when it's done, we'll just get a hook attachment and then mix a little and then put it in our mixer. So if you don't have a mixer, you can also do this one by hand. If you're using a mixer, we will beat this one in medium speed for roughly about 5 minutes. If you're doing it by hand, most likely you will need it for around 10 minutes. So we'll just beat this one up. When it's starting to form a dough, we will slowly add in our softened butter. We'll just get a rubber scraper and then add it in. And then mix it up again.
12 seconds later.
So you know your dough is ready is when it has passed the window pane test. So let's check. So here is our dough, and just we will get a small, and then see, it's stretchy. So it's ready. We'll just get the hook, and then we will cover this one with a cling wrap. And we will just leave this one for around 40 minutes to 1 hour or until double inside. While our doughs are resting, we will make our leche flan. And in making it, we need to caramelize our sugar. Here we have our sugar. We will put it in our pan. And then we will add in our water. And we'll heat this one up.
Eventually,
we now have our caramel, and we will just transfer it to our pan. And then be careful in handling this one because it will really burn. When you're done, we will just set this one aside, and then we will make our flan. Making the cream for our leche flan, we will just put here in our bowl the yolk. Just add all in. And our evaporated milk. And then our condensed milk. We will just mix everything up. When you're done mixing, we will just set this one aside, and then we will get another bowl that has a strainer on it. We will transfer this one to our another bowl just to make sure that it will be smooth. When it's done, we will just set this one aside, and then we will transfer this one to our pan. We'll get a pot holder and then transfer our flan to our pan. So after it, we'll just cover our pan with some foil. So we'll get a foil. Just estimate and then cover it. When it's covered, we will steam bake this one for roughly around 45 minutes. Now our dough is already ready, and as you can see, it has doubled its size. We'll just take our cling wrap and then punch it a bit so that it will deflate, and then we will just, if you don't have silicone mat at your home, it's totally fine. We'll just get our dough and put it here, and then we will just flatten it out so that the air pockets or the bubbles will burst. And then we will just knead a little and form it into a log, and then we will gonna cut this one or measure this about 80 grams each dough. Okay. When it's all divided, we will just flatten it out and then put everything in the middle. And then you need to exert force in your here and in here. Okay. So just form into a ball and then all of it. Okay. So flatten and then put everything in the middle and then roll into a ball. And the last one, I have here a small dough. This is the extra, so we will just still do it. So when everything is rolled up, then we will just get a parchment paper and then put it and then flatten it out. And then set it aside. Do the others as well. So when it's done, we will just cover this one with a cloth. Leave it for like 20 minutes before we fry it. Our doughs are now ready, so we will deep fry our donuts. So our parchment paper, we'll just do it 2 at a time.
One hour later.
Our donuts and our leche flan has already cooled down. So this leche flan, I've cooled it for about an hour and now it's ready, and we will slice the sides with a knife. We'll slice it up and then we'll get a plate where we will transfer our flan. So I don't have any plate now. Will fit this pan, so I have this one, so we're just gonna use this. And then flip it over. And then we will get our cookie cutter. This is approximately 2 inch in diameter. We will cut our flan with the cutter. Since we have 6 donuts, we need to cut 6 also. So after cutting, we will just get the excess, because we will use the excess to make the puree. We'll just get a spoon, then put our flan here. So I think, guys, this would be okay, and then we will add in our heavy cream. So we'll just get the heavy cream. So here our heavy cream. We'll just put about 1/8 of the cream in the blender. So we will just blend this one up. And we're gonna check. I think it's not yet that thick, so we'll just blend it. The pureed flan earlier didn't quite turn out well. The consistency was really very runny. So what I did is, in the mixer, I whipped the cream and then added some powdered sugar and added the pureed flan, but just about 1/4 of it. This is how it turned, and it's great. This would be our filling for our donuts. Here, again, the size of this is 2 inch diameter, the same as the one that we used to cut for the flan. We'll use it to cut our donuts, but we will not cut it through. Get a gloves, and then we'll get our donut in the center, get a knife, and cut it, and then get the center. Do it on the others as well. And it's done. So now we're gonna we'll just set this one aside, and then we'll fill our donuts with the cream pureed flan. Fill your donuts. When it's done, we'll get our flan. Oh, before I forgot, we'll need first to sprinkle with powdered sugar our donuts before putting in our leche flan. We have here a strainer and some powdered sugar. Then put the sides with some powdered sugar. And then we will get our flan and we will fill it to our donuts. Get an offset spatula. It would be really best that your flan would be chilled first for like about an hour before putting it in. So there you have it, our leche flan brioche donuts. Now guys, let's have our taste test. So we'll get one, and then the dough is so soft and it really complements our pureed flan and the leche flan. Not too sweet, I swear. So insanely good. Another bite. It really tastes good. So this donuts is really a must try. So before I end this video, since it's my birth month, I will be having a birthday giveaway. If you want to join, I will just put the link in the description box below for the mechanics. So winners, I will choose 2 of them via automated raffles. Each of them will receive, like this one, a denim apron which has large pockets in it. And each of them will also receive a digital magnetic timer like this one. So you can just stick it in your fridge or in your oven or anywhere you want. So it also comes with a rubber scraper. It's also very nice because at the back of it you have this conversion of the measurement. So I encourage everyone to join, and winners will be announced on the last day of March. It's on the 31st. And thank you guys for watching this video till the very end. I hope you enjoyed. And please do hit that like and subscribe buttons, and see you on my next video.